Good morning, friends. In math, we are going to be talking about counting this week. We're going to be talking about counting from 0 to 10. And I wonder how many of my friends practiced that last year. Did you practice counting? I know that whenever I count, I know I can count to 10 if I use my fingers because I have 10 fingers. I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have a little counting book today. So I want you to, it's called Mouse Count. And as I'm counting in here, I want you to count with me. This book is about a hungry snake that thinks he's going to catch some mice for his dinner. So let's read what happens to the snake that tries to catch the mice. Mouse Count by Ellen Stoll Walsh. One fine day, some mice played in the meadow. Remember, a meadow is just kind of like a yard, but it's like a big field. They were careful to watch for snakes. But when the mice got sleepy, they forgot about snakes. And they all took naps. While they slept, a hungry snake went looking for dinner. On his way, he found a nice big jar. "I will fill this jar with dinner," he said. It wasn't long before he found 3 mice, little, warm, and tasty, fast asleep. "First, I will count them, and then I will eat them up," said the snake. Mouse count. 1, 2, 3. He dropped them into the jar, but he was very hungry. 3 mice were not enough. Soon he found 4 more mice, little, warm, and tasty, fast asleep. And he counted them. 4, 5, 6, 7. But the snake was very hungry, and 7 mice were not enough. At last he found 3 more mice, little, warm, and tasty, fast asleep. And he counted them. 8, 9. What comes after 9? 10. 10 mice are enough. Now I'm going to eat you up, my little warm, tasty, said the snake. Wait, said one of the mice. The jar isn't full yet, and look at that big mouse over there. The snake was very greedy. He hurried off to get that big mouse. And while he was gone, the mice rocked the jar one way and another way until over it went. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The little mice uncounted themselves and ran home. The snake reached the big mouse, but it was only a rock. And when he got back, his jar was empty. The end.